Mga hinigugma ko nga mga taga-Humonhon, mga hinigugma ko nga giwananon, anaton mga mining communities dinhi nga ani anaha Humonhon, Tech Iron Resources, Verum Terra, Global Minmet, Prime Pacific, Emir Mining, hayo nga tanan, upunit mga bisita, maupay nga udto, haton nga tanan. Anakon, pag-aro, himpasensya, nga naatrasar kami, kay nag-open kita, hin tubig, nag-launch kita, hin water system, dito ha kasuguran. Yan na, may nanera dito water system, kamakalilipay, tungod kay, ang tubig makusog, ngan maupay, very clear, aniya kolor, nga makakahatag talaga hin sustainable water, safe water, para hiton mga tao, ha, barangay kasuguran ha pagkayana, isusunod natin ang water system project sa barangay Kagusuan, nga isusunod natin ang extension han barangay Kasuguran, ngadto barangay Kanawayon, ngan barangay Bitaugan. Nganit iba nga mga barangay masulod na. So, pasensya po nga nag-iha kami han pag-abot dinhi. Yan na ang adlaw, ani kita nagkakatitirok, hini nga historic island, nga kundiin, tungod hini nga island, na hibulig ang bungtuhan giwan, ang isla Humonhon, han istorya, han kalibutan. 500 years and 5 years ago, the Magellan-Elcano expedition landed on the shores after 2 months and 10 long days of crossing the vast Pacific Ocean while starving and dying. Upon landing on these very shores and seeing clean water, they must have thought salvation at last. Kay nagkakabamatay na hira tungod han gutom ngan magsakit na hira, because it took them 100 days, more than 100 days to cross the Pacific Ocean. Today, however, as we stand here, we are not simply looking at that moment through the eyes of the foreigners. We are also looking at it through our own eyes, through the eyes of Filipinos, of Istihanons, of Giwananons, of the people of Humonhon. Before contact, before our ancestors ever set foot near their ships, our islands offered life. Humonhon and Suluan became part of the story of the first circumnavigation of the world, not because we were discovered, but because we were seen. Waray kita ka-discovery, gingkita ang aton isla, han nagdanabigar, didaha Pacific Ocean, nga ang grupo ni Magellan and Elcano. Seeing our islands gave those weary explorers the strength to continue. Seeing our islands gave them hope. Yet the story becomes even more profound when our ancestors did enter the scene. We saw them back, kinita ta daman hira. That was the first Filipino and Spanish contact. Dinhi Humonhon. Diri dito ibang lugar, ang primero nga paghitapo han Pilipino ngan Espanyol, dinhi hini nga Islam. For a moment, put yourselves in the shoes of our ancestors. It is a day not unlike any other day in March. The winds from the north and east are beginning to shift. Amihan is slowly turning and giving way to Kanaway to Habagat. You prepare for your boat and set foot to the sea to fish. But to your surprise, you see something that is not supposed to be there. Something does not belong. Big, strange ships have crested the horizon. Strange sails are blowing towards the direction of home. What are you going to do? The actions of our ancestors 505 years ago defines us to this day. While our ancestors may have fled at first, and they were most certainly right to do so, what happened next is where the soul of Giwananon, of the Filipino, shines. Despite their fear, they chose to visit the foreigners. Despite not knowing who these men were and why they were in Humunhon, they approached, not because they were forced, but because deep within our identity lives an ancient instinct and Panginano. Waray kahadlok ang ating mga tagasuluan, pag-atubang yung mga foreigners, kay kinaiyamang good naton nga nanginginano kita. And so they shared food that revived the sick and the dying. They offered rest that restored hope. They extended friendship despite not sharing the same language. Had our ancestors been a different kind of people, the story of the first circumnavigation of the world might have ended here. But they were who they were and who we still are today. A people whose greatest heritage is not wealth, not conquest, not might, but kindness, magnanimity, and humanity. Today, as we gathered by this marker, gazing upon the same waters our ancestors gazed upon in 1521, let us feel the weight of that inheritance. Humunhon today is also known as a place where large-scale mining exists. We recognize both the opportunities and the responsibilities that come with it. The natural wealth beneath this island must never come at the expense of the people who live upon it. That is why I call upon all mining companies operating here to practice not only compliance but also humanity. Panginano han mga tao. Ginaaghat ko kamo ng mga mining companies hinpanginano hiton aton mga komunidad. Diri la negosyo kundi an panginano nga tikang yung mga kasing-kasing ngan panginano nga naton kalibungan para maging responsable aniyo gihapon pagmina dinhi. I firmly believe that it is our shared responsibility, government, companies, and community alike, to prove that responsible mining is possible. It must mean protecting our waters, caring for our environment, and ensuring that development truly benefits the community who have cared for this island long before any industry arrived. Before we came here, we have inaugurated the water system project in Barangay Kasuguran, an important project that signals not only development for the island, but dignity for the community. This project means reliable access to clean and safe water for our communities, particularly for the people of Barangay Kasuguran. Thank you to the DNR, to MGB, Local Water Utilities Administration, Giwan Water District, of course, the local government unit of Giwan, the four mining companies who contributed to the development of our water in Barangay Kasuguran, Tech Ion Resources, Verum Terra, Global Minmet, and Emir Mining Corporation, for making the project a reality. We have institutionalized the Giwan Mining Sustainable Development Council, Coordinating Council, a platform where all stakeholders can Work together, ensure transparency and accountability, and align our development plans from the ground up, from the communities and barangays to the local government unit and up to the national government. Thank you to MGB for supporting this local initiative. May na naton Homonhon Island Development Coordinating Council. Diri nala kita bara-bara nga mga proyekto. Kay damoy klase rin nga maiha na nagmimina dito hagiwan pero wala ikikita nga development. This time, we will make it different. Atong sisigurohon nga it mga proyekto are indeed development projects. Nakikitaon nga naaabaton hiton mga tao. As part of our commitment, the LGU has also delivered projects for the different barangays of Bumonhon, sourced from our share in the excise tax. We have constructed roads, installed solar lights, and other projects that can uplift the lives of our people. Today, the LGU of Giwan reaffirms our commitment to bringing development projects to the island and to prioritizing our community and our people. It should be people, planet, and prosperity. Because Sumunhon, in the end, is more than land surrounded by sea. It is its people. It is its history. It is the spirit of humanity, kindness, and resilience that has endured here through time. As we honor that history today, we also renew our responsibility to carry it forward. Padayon kita giwananon, giwan bong tutahig ug mata, damo nga salamat hayo matanan. Mabuhay po.